Winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to...
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Orange County until 4 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Unionville, or 10 miles west of Warwick, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Florida, Middletown, Goshen, and Chester. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York.
Coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles.